All right, I'm Scott Brown. I'm with Prinoth, and what we're going to do today, this is Jonathan. He's with Quality Equipment and Parts. So you were asking about.
What should the belt tension be, and how should I set it?
Okay, so the belt tension, you should be able to take a tape measure, and you should have 3/4 inch max deflection. So we're an 1 3/4, and we go to 2 1/4. So we have a 1/2 inch deflection, and that's good. Max 3/4. But you need deflection. This belt will be straight on one side in a pull, but it'll have an arc on the other side. And to set it, there's 4 bolts, and you loosen those bolts up, and then up on top is a jack bolt, and you can screw this up or screw it down and tension the belt.